In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website for car detailing using Wix. Alright, let's get started with the process of creating a stunning website that will effectively showcase your car detailing business and convert visitors into loyal customers. First, head over to Wix.com and hit the Create New Site button. When prompted about what kind of website you want to create, enter car detailing or auto services. You'll be presented with options like car detailing, auto repair, car wash, or even small business, local service. Fill out to select the category that best aligns with your business model. Now, you need to choose a template that matches your style. Look for features such as a booking button, service pricing sections, and a gallery to display before and after photos. A contact form is also essential. Though templates are fully customizable, choose one that reflects your business vibe and layout. Moving on to design and branding. Open the Wix editor and click on any section you want to tweak. You can edit text, images, and background colors to reflect your brand better. Add your logo and update the business name. For instance, you might choose something like ShineMaster Auto Detailing. Adjust the color scheme to match your brand identity. Colors like black, blue, silver, or red typically work well in the auto industry. Make sure to swap out any stock images with high-quality photos of your work. Displaying before and after shots, close-ups of detailing results, and images of your workshop or service vehicle can greatly enhance your professional image. Next, let's discuss the key pages your car detailing website should contain. A clean, concise homepage should include a brief introduction, a Book Now button, and a hero image of one of your best detailing jobs. The services page should list all the details of your offerings, like interior detailing, exterior washing, and ceramic coating, along with pricing. In your gallery, showcase your best before and after photos. Testimonials are crucial. Add a page or section with customer reviews and quotes. Facilitate online bookings with a dedicated page where customers can easily book appointments, and don't forget your contact page. Include essentials like your business address, a map, your phone number, a link for WhatsApp, and an email form. Incorporating an online booking system is straightforward with Wix. Simply click Add Apps in the dashboard sidebar, search for Wix bookings, and add it to your site. Define your services such as full interior detailing with specifics like duration and price. Setting available days and times for appointments can also be managed here, and offering online payment options through Wix Payments, PayPal, or Gcash can simplify transactions for your clients. It's important to display pricing transparently. Create a pricing section using either cards or tables, showcasing options like a basic wash, premium detail, or ceramic coating. Always have a Book Now button handy for each package. Don't forget to add a before and after gallery. Click Add, select Gallery, and choose either grid or slider. Upload before and after photos of previous jobs, labeling them as such. You might also consider embedding your Instagram feed using the SocialStream app to exhibit recent work. Finally, prioritize mobile optimization. Switch to mobile view in the Wix editor, check the layout, and adjust text size and button placement to ensure every element looks great on a smaller screen. Ensure that Book Now and Call Us buttons are easy to find and use, and there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a stellar car detailing website using Wix. Happy designing!